Alright, first step is to log into your StereumPlus account. Click on the Buy Server button, and this will take you to the server selection screen. Here, you can select your preferred provider from the drop-down list. Now, choose the plan that fits your project. Compare options based on cores, RAM, and storage. Next, you get to name your server. This helps you keep track of your projects, especially if you manage multiple servers. At this point, you'll see a summary of your plan, including the price and all specifications. Double check everything to make sure it's what you want. When you're ready, click Pay with Ethereum. StereumPlus accepts cryptocurrency payments, so select Ethereum. And as your payment method, select Wallet Connect. Click Connect Wallet and choose your preferred wallet provider, such as MetaMask or Coinbase. Once your wallet is connected, click Send Payment to initiate the transaction. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the details. Make sure everything looks good, then sign and approve the payment. After signing the transaction, wait for the Ethereum blockchain to confirm your payment. Once it's verified, you'll see a confirmation message, and your server setup will proceed. You'll also get a confirmation email with all the login details for your new server on the email you registered with, so make sure to check it and save it. So now that we're done, you could click My Servers to see the newly purchased server. You can manage it from here, whether you need to restart, extend your plan, or add it to the launcher. And that's about it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully purchased a server with StereumPlus. You can use it for staking, hosting, developing. This server will have you covered for those things. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team, and thank you for watching.